Hello and welcome once more. This is Motor Hippies cooking lessons, and today we are going to make risotto, and we have beef, it's ground beef, we have mushrooms, we have garlic and onion, we have peas, and we have this kind of, it's a corn, pea, paprika, bell pepper mixture. We have rice, of course, vegetable cube, blackened spice mixture, little pepper, chili, and olive oil. And first I washed these mushrooms very carefully because there is always mud, and wash the mud away, and take a cold water and little wheat flour, and you wash with this wheat flour, cold water, and after that put more water and strain the wheat and the water off. And first I fry these mushrooms. I put some olive oil here, because if you have fresh mushrooms there is still water inside, and I boil the water out. You can use that water if it's clean, but if it's dark, then don't use it. Then you didn't wash them enough. And first I put this mushroom and they start frying. Now make this first. Okay, now the mushrooms are ready. I have browned them a little and I have fried the water off. Now I put them back to the container. Like this. And then I take the meat. Oil once more. And then the meat. And I start frying the meat. Now I first fry the meat. I brown them very carefully. Okay, now I have browned the meat. It's now good. If it starts boiling, just boil the water off, and after that fry the meat. And now I add the spices. I have one more this blackened Cajun mixture. It's my favorite. And in Cajun kitchen, use spices in every time when you have add something. When you have browned the meat, add spices. If you brown the vegetables, add spices. Then you can handle the spice balance in food. If you just spice when everything's ready, the taste is not same. And fry for a while the spices, then you get stronger flavor. And after that I add this onion. You see I got plenty of vegetables in this risotto. Okay, now the vegetables are here and spices. Here is the new onions and garlics, and I fry these until they are a little bit tender, maybe 5 minutes. And if they get some color, it's okay, but don't take too dark color. And you see when they are ready, when they look like a little bit softer. They are not like a fresh anymore, they are like a little bit cooked. Then they are ready. Okay. And now the onion and garlic. Okay. You see they are softened, much softer than 10 minutes ago. And now I add the, actually I can put the peas first because they are fresh, and I just mix the peas here. And after that I have rice. It's a long parboiled rice, and I put the 1, 2. In this case it was 3 deciliters. And then I have put this vegetable cube. It's okay. And I fried the rice for a while, a few seconds, and I mix it very well with the base of food, like this. You can call this pilaf as well, pilaf rice, when you have oil and onions and you put the rice in and then you add the stock. Okay, and then I have doubled. If I put 3 rice, I put 6 or 7 stock. And the stock comes when I have this water and stock cube in the food. I have to put little more water and it starts boiling. And you can put so much that it covers first the food, and then under the low heat boil it, and I have to take a little more water. Okay, now it's boiling here under low heat. We call that it boils like smiling, not very hard. And now I have these mushrooms, which we fried first. I put the mushrooms here, and then these frozen vegetables that we got little color and little different kind of. If you have fresh ones, they are better, of course, but in this case we got these frozen ones and they are good as well. And now we have to remember that when you cook with vegetables, don't cook them too long. Otherwise, you will boil out with vitamins and such kind of very healthy things. And altogether this takes maybe 15 minutes to cook after we have added the rice. It depends what kind of rice you use. And this was 10 minutes rice. And then 10 minutes is not enough, but maybe 15 minutes. And taste rice and boil all this stock off, and after that your risotto is ready. Yes. Okay, now it seems quite ready. The stock is all gone and the rice was okay. I check it, and now I check the flavor. It needs a little salt, not much, because I don't like very salty food. Salt is not very healthy actually. You need some, but not very much. Now it's ready, and I have local beer here, and this beer comes from that brewery over there. It's a local one and it's excellent. I taste the beer. Good and local. And once more, learn basic things and you can do what you can. If I can do it, you can do it.